Another favorite attraction is the water-powered sawmill. The historic Mill Creek Sawmill was originally constructed in 1780. Costumed staff and lively displays give visitors an inside look at many of the vital pioneer skills used to prepare logs for building projects. Located within a 600-acre park, you'll find groomed nature trails, beaver ponds, and scenic overlooks. For those seeking adventure, Mill Creek Discovery Park has plenty to offer. The Naturalist Guided Adventure Tour will take you 60 feet up into the treetops on the Forest Canopy Bridge. Then, you can experience the adrenaline rush of the Eagle's Flight zip line, which will let you spread your wings and take flight as you soar through the trees and over the mill pond. But the adventure doesn't stop there. Harness up and climb the 50-foot nature trail climbing wall and make the calls of indigenous birds sing out as you make your way to the top and a panoramic view of the Straits of Mackinaw. Mill Creek boasts a working, authentically reconstructed water-powered sawmill. You'll be able to watch as the sawyers run the water-powered mill, using the creek's natural energy to saw through fresh logs.